buddy?
Yes.
You got a fire.
You're on fire.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You got a fire. It's gonna cost you $29.95 for this one.
No expensive.
No tax included. Hey, woman.
Goodbye. Didn't even think I was going to do it tonight, but love my campfires. It's bad I can't get it on the chair. Oh, comes the big one again. Look, right there on the side. Ooh, ooh. Keep the wind blowing that way, nature. I don't want it coming in my face. Got a good show going on there for you folks. Huh?
We're gonna put this inside, okay?
Well, the guitar?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't bring it in.
No, we're gonna take it in now. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
What else was I gonna do?
There. Yes, one side. One side.
Might as well. Yeah, no.
Always try that.
Ow. Those cracklings, man. Oh. Let's see if it'll stand like that. I don't know. We'll bring the spoons next weekend. That was this weekend jam. Oh, Brian Adams. Oh, Mr. What a letter that she did now. When it gets too much, I need to feel your touch. I'm gonna run to you. I'm gonna run to you. But when the feeling's right, I'm gonna run all night. I'm gonna run to you. I think I heard the guitar over there, but I don't think it was jam night though. I'm gonna bring baby out. I'm thinking of bringing her out. It's perfect. Excuse me. Need to feel your touch, I'm gonna run to you. When the feeling's right, I'm gonna run all night, gonna run to you. Oh, I know it's true, but it's so dang easy making love to you. I got my mind made up. Got that song made all of a sudden, folks, sorry.
I hear you. I hear you.
Did you see the heat I ate yesterday?
What's that?
Did you see the heat that I ate?
No.
Oh,
I
in
ate
there.
almost half of the asparagus.
Did you?
Yeah, if not more than half.
Mmm. I think there was a jam over there, but I don't think that dude came by and told me it. Yeah. Got your little campfire, folks, again. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, it's right there. Fart knockers and bend arms and broomsticks. Stick.